Hey, how you doing? Spot here. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're gonna go on a 2-day journey counterclockwise around the island of Oahu. I'm a complete amateur on the bike, so if you're looking for some high performance cycling, this ain't gonna be it. But hey, if you do like the channel, please drop a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts, because it all helps me help you. Help me help you. That's it. All right, and with that, let's get on the road. Sandy beach, you can tell probably by the audio, it's been really windy. It's a lovely beach on a beautiful day, so off we go. You. Sweet home Waimanalo. This is a fantastic part of the trip. No wind, hardly, and fucking bike path, glorious, beautiful scenery. It's amazing. We're just gonna keep it on. Okay, so if it's not totally obvious, I'm right near Bellows Marine Corps Base, north of Waimanalo. Okay, so I'm lost, but man, I've gotten lost in a beautiful neighborhood. Check this out. We're here at Kona Bay, which, as you can see, is absolutely beautiful. I'm feeling pretty good, a little worn out. I think I'm about less than 10 miles from where I'm going to sleep tonight, which is somewhere near Turtle Bay. I'm not exactly sure where. I don't have a reservation. I'm just looking for a place, and I figured Turtle Bay is probably empty right now, so maybe I get 5-star amenities for a 0-star price. Into the home stretch. I'm about 5 miles where I'm going to throw my mat for the night. I probably would have been here earlier, but I got lost around Kaneohe. I made a wrong turn. I ended up in a cool neighborhood, but it probably cost me about 5 miles, but that is life. That is life. And if I see you again, and if I see you again, cruising, this area is just super beautiful, and I'm on some trails back here. I'm gonna look for a place to throw my pad for the night. $0 a night and no service charge anytime. Here's the dinner champion. I got some peanut butter and jelly trail mix that's totally melted. And I got these Cliff shot blocks. These things are about 100 calories each. Yeah, I was kind of worried about making it here before dark, so I didn't stop and pick anything up in like Kahuku or Laie, which I probably should have. But don't worry, we're gonna get to the night and we're gonna go in the morning to Ted's Bakery. If you don't know what Ted's is, it is a staple in the North Shore. They started just as like a sundries type shop, I think in the 60s, maybe earlier. I could be totally wrong on that. But now they have some great pies, huge plate lunches. They have donuts, they have everything. So I'm gonna go out there and totally pig out in the morning. Good morning from the $0 a night room. Man, windy last night, but good. Anyways, all right, we're off to Ted's Bakery. All right, guys. Well, according to Yelp, Ted's is 4 miles away, which is pretty close. Be there in 15-20 minutes. But also, according to Yelp, they're not open till 10:30. What kind of bakery opens at 10:30? I mean, who wants donuts? Well, I always want donuts, but I want one now. What kind of bakery opens at 10:30? We're gonna go see if that's true. And if not, we might be pushing onto a truck or to Haleiwa or wherever to get something to eat. But I gotta eat something because you know, I didn't eat much for dinner. I didn't eat much yesterday, and I got a big hill to climb on the way back. So we gotta get some fuel.
Stay the same over the years. I've learned something or two. People don't change, no matter what they say or do.
Fantastic, beautiful. I got a nice tailwind, and drivers give me lots of room, and it's really uncrowded. It's beautiful.
Here we are, we are where we are. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. We are where we are. You know the night can't pass as a bright new day. You know that anger can never be stored away. Over the years, I've learned something or two. People can change, no matter what they say or do. We are where we are. We are, yeah, we are. We are where we are. Oh, yeah, we are. We are where we are.
About halfway up the big climb. It's not so bad so far. I don't know, I got one more segment. I don't know if it's the last one or if there's more after that. Yeah, this is the hill coming out of Waiwa, or sorry, coming out of Haleiwa to Waiwa. It was really the most significant elevation of the whole trip. So far I'm feeling pretty good.
The more you ask, the more this.
Look at that. Beautiful. Getting some rain up here. Getting some rain, but I got most of the steep part behind me. I got one more, looks like one more small section up ahead, but the rain is a bummer. It's all right. I got a podcast and a wide shoulder. All right, so after some delicious tacos from El Palenque, I just rode through the center of Oahu. I didn't take much video. It's, to be honest, it's pretty uneventful. It's just kind of suburbia with lots of cars, but it had a wide shoulder, so I just try to power through that as quick as possible. Okay, this part of the bike path seems a lot better. Got no scare. I had like 2 homeless people's dogs come out and nip at me, and everywhere around me were stripped cars and trash and stripped bikes and just a dumping ground for stolen stuff. Yeah, definitely would not recommend that first section of the Pearl Harbor bike path. All right, now we're on hopefully smoother roads ahead. Okay, so back in town now, near the airport. The last 10 miles have really been painful, just hard and hot. Yeah, 4 roads. It's been a rough finish, but we're making it.
See you again. Right before